Let's deep dive and understand the workflow of buying and selling phones on ORUPHONES app in a simple way. It all starts from seller's place. He is looking to sell his phone online. So to achieve this, firstly, seller will install ORUPHONE application in his smartphone. Then he will sign up using mobile number. Once he is logged in, he will then simply click on the sell button at the bottom of the screen to start the listing process. Then he will be asked to sell his phone. It will display an estimate value of it. He can then select Get Exact Value. Then the seller will have to provide various information such as whether seller has original box, charger, bill, and earphones with him. What is the age of phone? Is your phone working? Condition of phone's display and body. In the end, he will have to upload some photos of the phone. Once this is done, it will detect location of seller and will ask the seller to enter his selling price. Finally, after selecting Accept Terms and Condition and Open for Negotiation, which is optional, seller's phone is successfully listed on ORUPHONES. Now the seller will wait for someone to see his listing on ORUPHONES app. Soon someone scrolling on ORUPHONES app will find a perfect second-hand phone at affordable price range. But wait, the phone is not verified. In this case, buyer can select the Request Verification button. This will send a verification request to the seller. Also, the phone will be added to buyer's favorites list. Seller will receive a notification asking for verification of his device. So the seller will proceed with verification of his device by selecting Verify Device button. It will then perform various diagnostic tests to verify whether the device is in good condition or not. Once test is performed, it will rate the phone's condition and the device will be successfully verified. Verified phones have likely more chances of listing compared to unverified devices. Hence, we at ORUPHONES say, verified phone equals peace of mind. So once device is verified, buyer will either book, or if he is not satisfied with the price, he can select Negotiate button to negotiate with seller to reduce the price. Seller will receive a notification for negotiation. In this case, he can accept the offer or he can deny the offer. Once negotiation is finished, buyer will book the phone by paying a minimum booking amount. Then, he will receive seller details, such as contact number and address. Seller will also be notified with the buyer's details through app and SMS. Finally, both buyer and seller can mutually decide a place and time to finish the deal. Once they meet in person, buyer can share a 4-digit OTP to seller and finally receive the second-hand phone. Here, buyer will also have to pay the remaining amount to seller in any payment mode. Once this process is finished, seller can mark the phone as sold on ORUPHONES app. So this is how people can buy and sell their phones seamlessly at affordable rates and with minimum effort using ORUPHONES app or website.